Okay, we're at 9518 Summer Furnace, and the front yard just needs a little bit of tidying. I would trim that desert willow and trim this rosemary. Okay, and then this needs to be trimmed. So I don't know, $40, $50 to do that. Unfortunately, the rugs are in terrible shape. I'm going to send my best carpet cleaner over here. I think we can get this cleaned up. It's fine. Nothing left in here except that doggy dish thing. Backyard just needs some dog turds cleaned up and that pool getting rid of. We may not be able to salvage this carpet. I'm going to send my best carpet guy over here. Windows needed clean. The walls are in excellent shape. It does not need painting, thank God. We need electricity on. Probably to the mailbox. This is fine. The walls could just be a little bit of a cleanup. Just a carpet clean here. I've got a hole punch. You might just let that go. This is okay, just need to be cleaned up. Just need to be cleaned. Clean. Clean. We can use that. And this needs to be cleaned. So we just need some carpet cleaning and some general house cleaning. But first, I desperately need to have electricity and water turned on.